Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we will talk about the dynamic PDF break-by. The break-by is a very powerful tool. So let's dive in and I'll show you what it does. So firstly in this form we're pulling up an opportunity by a element, the lookup element, and we're pulling in the opportunity information and we're bringing in the opportunity products into our section. So let's take a look at our get real quick, Salesforce integration, to take a look at the get settings. So we're getting the opportunity and our condition is simple. We're just getting it by the find opportunity lookup, which returns the opportunity ID as a value. And then we're grabbing all the products for that opportunity. So that's that. Now let's take a look at our PDF mapping. So document generation, PDF mapping. We'll click edit. I created a dynamic PDF with some HTML in it, and I've already created a table for the opportunity products. It's a dynamic table, and now we're going to talk about the break-by. So let's cancel this. Let's remove that and insert a new one. So I'm going to right click and do repeat settings. And now the first page break after you know already. We talked about this in the previous videos, which basically mean you can break your table whenever you like. If you say after the first line and then every 2 lines, then it will break the table according to that. The break table by, for example, let's say you want the table to break by quantity, and I'll show you what this means. And we're going to do show break by header, and we're going to write quantity for the header, and we'll do page break automatically, and we will select render table header as well, so the header will follow us wherever we go. So we'll apply that, save the form, let's publish and see what it does. So let's search for, let's say, edge, and pull up the opportunity. I have a preview before submit here. So it pulled up the opportunity information, and now let's take a look at our table. Let's see what it did here. So we have opportunity products. What it did, it broke every product that has quantity of 3 got its own table, and so on. We have 2 products that has the quantity of 2, then we have that in a separate table as well. So we can see the 4, 5, and 6, and 7 are separately because we have just one of each. So let's just take a look at the print. We'll see how it looks like. And there we have it. You can see that each one got his own page with the quantity as a header, and you can obviously break by whatever field you like. It's a very strong tool. Have fun with it.